Hi, I'm Shauna. I'm the principal designer at Shauna Walton Design. We are currently in a little girl's nursery in the heart of Forest Hill. My clients were first-time parents, so it was my job to not only decorate the nursery beautifully, but also guide them as to what they needed for a nursery that will grow with the baby. We stumbled upon this carpet. It's a second generation rug where they take an old rug, they shave it down, and they re-dye it with more exciting, vibrant, modern colors. And once we saw this rug, we knew that we had to go with the purple direction and let this be the speaking point throughout the room. So the room is a unique shape. It's not a perfect square, but what was actually nice and well suited to the space was this nook. It turns out the crib fits perfectly in the nook, and it almost feels like a little alcove made for the baby. So instead of a typical mobile, I picked up this really cute hot air balloon from Elty, and we added some decorative gold hearts just to girl it up a little bit and add a punch of gold, and we really love it. We were in the market for a purple wallpaper. It was really challenging to find, but eventually we stumbled upon it, and it's a really beautiful addition to the space. It jumps off the rug, and it's super playful. So the clients moved in and these cupboards were already here, but they needed a facelift. So we sprayed the cabinets, got new gold hardware, and we sprayed the shelves a nice eggplant purple to, again, give it a nice girly theme, but also make it easier to switch out if she ever chooses to go with a different color. So in this case, just to make the change table dresser a little bit more exciting, we found some really nice white and gold hardware with a little design on them from Anthropology, just to make it feel special and unique. I'm really big on using wall-mounted shelves for nurseries. What's really great about it is it doesn't eat to the space, and then also as your toddler grows, you don't have to worry about them pulling the shelves down. When styling your bookshelves, you can add in other elements like stuffed animals and artwork and even some family pictures. If I had to describe the nursery in one word, it would be vibrant. We chose purple, which is kind of a unique choice, but it really worked out in the end.